Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to resell Temu products very easily. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to research Temu's reselling policies and requirements. So before you begin reselling Temu products, it's important to understand any specific policies, guidelines or requirements that Temu may have for resellers. Visit their official website or reach out to their customer support to gather information about their reselling program if available. The following step is to purchase Temu products. So to resell Temu products, you need to acquire inventory. So purchase Temu products directly from authorized sources such as their website or authorized distributors. Ensure that you are obtaining genuine products from legitimate sources to maintain the quality and reputation of the brand. The next step is to set your pricing and business model. So determine your pricing strategy and business model for reselling Temu products. Consider factors such as the cost of the products, market demand, competition, and desired profit margins. Decide whether you want to sell the products online through a physical store or a combination of both. The fourth step is to create your sales channels. So establish your sales channels to reach potential customers. This may include setting up an e-commerce website, utilizing online marketplaces, or operating a brick and mortar store. Ensure that you comply with any legal requirements such as obtaining necessary licenses or permits for your chosen sales channels. The last step is to promote and sell Temu products. So market and sell Temu products through your chosen sales channels. Implement marketing strategies such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, influencer collaborations, or traditional advertising methods to raise awareness and attract customers. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and encourage repeat business. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.